Hello guys, and welcome back to MS Tech Tutorials, and in today's video I'm going to be going over how to fix the Marvel Rivals login error, and let's get straight into the video. So if you have Marvel Rivals downloaded through Steam, what you can do is you can go ahead and right click on Steam and hit run as an administrator, and once Steam is open you can go over to library, look for Marvel Rivals, right click on it, hit properties, and then go over to installed files. Now from installed files, you can go ahead and click on verify this game's files are installed correctly and hit verify integrity of game files. Once that's done, that will basically remove any corrupted files that you have. You can go ahead and go up to Steam on the top left, hit exit. This is a way of like restarting Steam. You can open it back up and then you can check to see if that fixes the issue. If you have it downloaded on Epic Games Launcher, you can also do that. It's the same method. You just go over to library, right click on the game, and then hit verify integrity of game files. And what you can also do is simply just restart your PC, because that will also help fix the issue. And that should be it. So yeah, that is it for the video. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and have a great day.